Question 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer. B. Mars is often called the red planet due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface, which gives it a reddish appearance. Question 2. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Vincent van Gogh. B. Pablo Picasso. C. Leonardo da Vinci. D. Michelangelo. Answer. C. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa, which is one of the most famous paintings in the world. Question 3. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Answer. C. Canberra is the capital city of Australia, although Sydney and Melbourne are more well known. Question 4. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer. B. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen during photosynthesis. Question 5. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? A. London. B. Paris. C. Rome. D. Berlin. Answer. B. The Eiffel Tower is an iconic landmark in Paris, France. Question 6. Who wrote the play, Romeo and Juliet? A. William Shakespeare. B. Charles Dickens. C. Jane Austen. D. Leo Tolstoy. Answer. A. William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet, a famous tragic love story. Question 7. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Answer. D. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the Earth's oceanic divisions. Question 8. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. China. D. Vietnam. Answer. C. The Great Wall of China is one of the most remarkable architectural feats in history. Question 9. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Ag. B. Au. C. Cu. D. Fa. Answer. B. The chemical symbol for gold is O, which comes from the Latin word aurum. Question 1. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Gorilla. Answer. A. Lions are often referred to as the king of the jungle, although they mainly live in savannas. Question 11. In which sport is the FIFA World Cup held? A. Basketball. B. Football soccer. C. Cricket. D. Tennis. Answer. B. The FIFA World Cup is the most prestigious international football soccer tournament. Question 12. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro. B. Dollar. C. Pound sterling. D. Yen. Answer. C. The currency of the United Kingdom is the pound sterling. Question 13. Which element is the main component of the Sun? A. Helium. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. Answer. C. The Sun is mainly composed of hydrogen, which undergoes nuclear fusion to release energy. Question 14. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? A. Buzz Aldrin. B. Yuri Gagarin. C. Neil Armstrong. D. Alan Shepard. Answer: C. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. Question 15. What is the largest mammal on Earth? A. African elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. D. Hippopotamus. Answer: B. The blue whale is the largest mammal on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 1 foot or more. Question 16. Which mountain range is located in South America? A. Himalayas. B. Alps. C. Andes. D. Rockies. Answer: C. The Andes mountain range is located in South America and is the longest continental mountain range in the world. Question 17. What is the smallest continent by land area? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Antarctica. D. South America. Answer: B. Australia is the smallest continent by land area. Question 18. Which country is the birthplace of coffee? A. Brazil. B. Ethiopia. C. Colombia. D. Vietnam. Answer: B. Coffee is believed to have originated in Ethiopia. Question 19. What is the name of the famous Leaning Tower in Italy? A. Tower of Pisa. B. Colosseum. C. Pantheon. D. Trevi Fountain. Answer: A. The Tower of Pisa is famous for its unintended tilt. Question 20. In which year did the Titanic sink? A. 1995. B. 1912. C. 1992. D. 1931. Answer: B. The Titanic sank on April 15, 1912, after hitting an iceberg on its maiden voyage.